Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to paint inside a shape in Photoshop for many way. First, I will apply the method on for paint. Now see this menu selection tool. You use another selection tool as you wish. I example use this hold shift for drag to fix size. Okay, then go to gradient tool, paint bucket tool. Select the color, then type your mode. Example, I select this time normal mode. Now click, hold Ctrl D. Okay. Method 2 for insert color. Oh, sorry. Method 2, Ctrl J. Okay. Ctrl J for duplicate. Shape, change the color. Hold Ctrl T. Hold Shift. Go to filter. Wheel paint. Now see this option. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.